Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to set shipping prices on Etsy. Let's get into it. First, go to your Shop Manager. Open your computer, log into your account, and click on the Shop Manager button at the top of the screen. Look at the menu on the left side of your screen and click on the Settings choice. The system gives you permission to change the rules of your shop. Without this step, you would just be looking at your items instead of changing how much they cost to send. Next, find your delivery settings. You need to open the specific section that deals only with mail, boxes, and delivery choices. Inside the settings menu, click on the word that says Delivery Settings. Wait for the page to load until you see the main navigation tools at the top of the section, because it separates your item prices from your mailing costs. By entering this specific room, you can see all the tools Etsy gives you to manage mail. It ensures you are in the right place to make a rule that applies to either one item or all of your items at the same time. Next, open your delivery profiles. Now you need to head over to the exact page where all of your saved mailing rules are kept in a list. Look near the top of the page and select Delivery Profiles from the top navigation. Click on this tab so the screen changes to show the specific list of mailing plans you have already created. It opens up your list of custom rules. By choosing this tab, you tell the computer you want to look at your existing mail plans instead of making a completely new one from scratch. It is the key step to getting the right output so you can find the exact plan you want to update. Lastly, click the Edit button. Look down your list, choose one of your delivery profile, and click on the Edit Link button on the right side. Wait for the settings box to pop open on your screen so you can change the prices. Now you can save your new prices so your store updates safely. And that's it. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.